हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट एडवर्टाइजमेंट। ओके, आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है? एडवर्टाइजमेंट क्या होता है? एडवर्टाइजमेंट को विज्ञापन कहते हैं। ये एक प्रकार की सार्वजनिक विज्ञप्ति होती है जिसे किसी समाचार पत्र में सूचना के रूप में छापकर या अन्य किसी विधि से लोगों को ये बताया जाता है कि कोई भी व्यक्ति अपना माल बेचने का इच्छुक है या वह एक नौकर अथवा कर्मचारी को नौकरी पर रखना चाहता है या वह अपनी पुत्री या पुत्र के लिए वर या वधू चाहता है। अखबारों एवं पत्रिकाओं में छपे एवं दूरदर्शन पर दिखाए गए इस प्रकार के विज्ञापन समाज में एक महत्वपूर्ण उद्देश्य की पूर्ति करते हैं। An advertisement is a public announcement by printing notices in a newspaper or by any other methods to make people know that one wishes to sell goods, engage a servant or an employee, or wants a bride or bridegroom for one's boy or girl. Advertisements issued in the newspapers and magazines and shown on television serve a very useful purpose in society. Advertising a definition: the process of delivering a message about ideas, goods and services through the media paid by an identifiable sponsor. क्या एम्स होते हैं, क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं इसके एडवर्टाइजमेंट के? टू गेन एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द रोल ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग within the marketing communications mix, to examine communication and advertising theories and their relationship with consumer behavior, to develop knowledge of advertising strategy and planning, to examine the importance and use of creativity in advertising, to gain an understanding of various production techniques, to appreciate the कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज ऑफ एवोल्यूशन। विज्ञापन जो है कई प्रकार के हो सकते हैं। मैट्रिमोनियल यानी वैवाहिक हो सकता है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट फॉर वैकेंसीज हो सकती है, बिजनेस एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स हो सकते हैं। ओके, एडवर्टाइजिंग डिस्क्रिप्शंस: although advertising is an accepted part of everyday life, there is a still great debate as to how advertising works and the role it can and should perform within the marketing communications mix. This module enables the applicants to review this debate and apply the theories to the advertising in our media today. They will learn how to put together an advertising plan and will examine the ingredients of an effective advertisement and ways in which this effectiveness can be measured. Definition of advertising: according to Philip Kotler's American Marketing Association, the advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation of ideas, goods, services by an identified sponsor that is called advertising. Defining advertising goals for measured advertising results. 6M approach: merchandise, important benefits to sell, markets, who to reach, motives, why people buy or fail to buy, media, how to reach, measurements, how to evaluate time and change, messages, key ideas to convey to move. रोल ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग क्या है? मार्केटिंग, कम्युनिकेशन, इकोनॉमिक, social. The process of business used to satisfy consumer needs by providing goods and services. product category, target market, marketing mix and brand. Marketing, communication, economic or social can reach a mass audience, introduce products. क्या करा जाता है वहाँ पर मास ऑडियंस के बीच जा सकते हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स का परिचय कराना, एक्सप्लेन्स इम्पोर्टेंट चेंजेस, रिमाइंड एंड reinforces pursuits. The function of advertising builds awareness of products and brands, create a brand image, provides product and branded information, persuades people, provides incentives to take action, provides brand reminders, reinforces past purchases and brand experiences. The word advertising comes from the Latin words adverters से निकल कर आया है advertising, meaning is to turn the minds of two words. According to American Marketing Association के according क्या कहा गया है, advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor. पर्पज़ एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट, इसके क्या पर्पज़ हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स के? जब किसी के जो है वैकेंसी निकाली जाती है एडवर्टाइजमेंट की, जब कहीं विद्यालय, महाविद्यालय, विश्वविद्यालय, दफ्तर, सरकारी विभाग आदि में नौकरी संबंधी कोई रिक्त स्थान होते हैं तो उन्हें समाचार पत्रों में विज्ञापित किया जाता है। रिक्त स्थानों की संख्या, उनकी प्रकृति तथा निर्धारित योग्यताओं का उल्लेख करते हुए प्रार्थियों से अपने सत्यापित पत्रजातों के साथ प्रार्थना पत्र निर्धारित तिथि तक भेजने के लिए कहा जाता है। तो इस तरीके से इन विज्ञापनों को न्यूज़पेपर में ऐड दिया जाता है। इसका क्या पर्पज़ होता है? टू इंट्रोड्यूस अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट बाय क्रिएटिंग इंटरेस्ट फॉर इट अमंग द प्रोस्पेक्टिव कस्टमर्स. To support personal selling program, advertising may be used to open customers' doors for salesmen, to reach people inaccessible to salesmen, to enter a new market or attract a new group of customers, to light competition in the market and to increase the sales as seen in the fierce competitions between Coke and Pepsi, to enhance the goodwill of the enterprise by promising better quality product and the services, to improve dealer relations. Advertising supports the dealers and selling the product. Dealers are attracted towards a product which is advertised effectively to warn the public against imitation of enterprises products. टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट, आउटडोर एडवर्टाइजमेंट होते हैं, इंडोर होते हैं, नॉन प्रोडक्ट, रेडियो एडवर्टाइजमेंट, टीवी कॉमर्शियल, नेशनल एडवर्टाइजमेंट, इंटरनेशनल एडवर्टाइजमेंट, रिटेल एडवर्टाइजमेंट, क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट, लोकल एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड ब्रांड एडवर्टाइजमेंट, कवर्ड एडवर्टाइजमेंट, इनफॉर्मेशियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट, सेलिब्रिटीज एडवर्टाइजमेंट, ऑनलाइन एडवर्टाइजिंग, सरोगेट एडवर्टाइजिंग, ब्रॉडकास्ट एडवर्टाइजिंग, public service advertising, local advertisement. Print advertising definition: if an advertisement is printed on paper, be it newspapers, magazines, brochures, flyers, that would be considered a portable printed medium, then it comes under the banner of print advertising. Provides more and detailed information. For example, people who cannot afford a TV or no time really on newspapers for accurate news, and therefore advertisement can easily reach to these audiences. Outdoor advertising on billboards or signboards outside of a building and often by roadside. The billboard advertising is very popular, however has to be really terse and catchy in order to grab the attention of the passers-by. Broadcasting advertising is a very popular advertising medium that constitutes of several branches like television, radio or in the internet. Television advertisements have been very popular ever since they have been introduced. The cost of television advertising often depends on the duration of the advertisement, the time of broadcast, and of course and popularity of the television channel on which the advertisement is going to be broadcasted. Covered advertising. Covered advertising is a unique kind of advertising in which a product or a particular brand is incorporated in some entertainment and media channels like movies, television shows, or sports. Some of the famous examples for this sort of advertising have to be appearance of brand Nokia, which is displayed on Tom Cruise's phone in the movie Minority Report, or the use of Cadillac cars in the movie Matrix Reloaded. Surrogate advertising is prominently seen in cases where advertising a particular product is banned by law. Advertisement for products like cigarettes, alcohol, which are injurious to health, or prohibited by law in several countries, and hence these companies have to come up with several other products that might have the same brand name and indirectly remind people of the cigarettes or beer bottles of the same brand. Public service advertising. Public service advertising is a technique that makes use of advertising as an effective communication medium to convey socially relevant messages about important matters. Examples: AIDS, energy conservation, political integrity, deforestation, illiteracy, poverty, and so on. Celebrity advertising. Although the audience is getting smarter and smarter, and the modern day consumer getting immune to the exaggerated claims made in a majority of advertisement, there exists a section of advertisers that still bank upon celebrities and their popularity for advertising their products. Brand advertising, commonly seen time of advertising where brands make an effort to establish long-term identity or image in the minds of the customer. Retail or local advertising done by local stores. This aims to encourage traffic to come into the store. Political advertising that promote politicians. Directory advertising, type of advertising that shows a listing of companies, products, or services the most popular. Direct response advertising, direct way of soliciting a response, usually a sale through direct contact to prospect via mail, telephone, email, and now short messaging system. Business to business advertising, a type of advertising focuses on a certain niche in the business industry. Institutional advertising, known as a corporate advertising, wherein the message is focused on establishing a general look or identify of. Public service advertising, the message communicates in behalf of a good cause or prevention of bad situation from happening. Last, interactive advertising, advertisements run via web page or via digital media. Okay, thank you for watching.